Welcome to the digital frontier, a world billions visit every day, yet few truly understand. YouTube, a platform for entertainment, education, and creativity. But behind the scenes lies an invisible engine, a hidden economy that powers careers, businesses, and entire industries. Today we're uncovering how creators really make money on YouTube, and it's more complex than you think. Let's begin with the most obvious. Ad revenue. YouTube places ads on monetized videos and shares a portion with the creator. Sounds simple, right? But the truth is far more unpredictable. Creators are paid per 1,000 monetized views. This is known as CPM, or cost per mille. But CPMs vary wildly. A channel discussing finance might earn 5 to 10 times more per view than a channel posting reaction videos or memes. And that's just the beginning. Audience location, viewer age, the devices used, even the month of the year, they all influence the payout. Advertisers spend more during the holidays, which spikes CPMs in December. But in January, rates drop drastically. And then there's the silent killer, ad blockers. Many viewers use them, which means creators earn nothing from those views. Ad revenue is unstable, inconsistent, and rarely enough to rely on alone. Which brings us to sponsorships. This is where creators collaborate with companies to promote products or services. These deals can be incredibly lucrative, but they come with expectations. Sponsors look for creators with a strong, trusting audience. Views matter, but engagement matters more. A smaller channel with loyal fans can sometimes earn more than a massive channel with weak audience connection. But there's a catch. If a sponsorship feels forced or fake, viewers will notice. Trust is easy to lose and hard to win back. Successful creators treat sponsorships like partnerships, carefully choosing brands that align with their content and values. Another income stream, affiliate marketing. This is where creators recommend products and earn a small commission when someone makes a purchase through their unique link. It works especially well for tech channels, tutorial videos or reviews, anywhere trust and product recommendations intersect. Some creators build entire businesses from affiliate marketing, earning income day and night, long after the video was posted. It's scalable, passive, and surprisingly effective. And then there's something even more powerful, building your own brand. Creators develop and sell digital products, like courses, presets, or ebooks, directly to their audience. Some sell merchandise or even launch online communities. Instead of relying on third parties, they create an ecosystem around their content. This approach gives them control, freedom, and long-term sustainability. It's no longer about making money from YouTube, but because of it. But the hidden economy goes even deeper. Let's look at some lesser-known income sources. Channel memberships allow viewers to support creators monthly in exchange for perks like bonus content, emojis, or early access. Platforms like crowdfunding or paid subscriptions enable superfans to contribute directly and consistently. Live streams open doors to donations and paid message highlights. These can bring in more income during a single session than an entire month of ads. Some creators license their footage to other companies or media outlets. Others produce background music or sound effects and earn passive income every time someone uses their work. The possibilities continue to grow. But with opportunity comes risk. The algorithm constantly changes. What worked yesterday might fail tomorrow. One video can bring in thousands, the next nothing. Demonetization, content strikes, burnout. These are real challenges. Behind the scenes, many creators work long hours under pressure to stay relevant, visible, and profitable. Sustainability becomes a question not of effort but of strategy. The key to long-term success, diversification. The most resilient creators don't rely on one income stream, they build several. They understand the platform, adapt to its changes, and build strong connections with their audience. Because at the heart of it all, money follows attention, but attention follows trust. So how do creators really make money? Through a mix of ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, digital products, memberships, licensing, and community support. It's not just about making videos, it's about building systems. The hidden economy of YouTube is always shifting. Those who learn how it works and how to evolve with it can thrive. Thanks for joining this deep dive. If you found this insight valuable, feel free to share it with others. There's more to explore and we're just getting started. See you in the next one.